buy cards.
Yeah.
This is our first time in anything like this. We know nothing about it. Trying to learn.
I mean, are you looking to just sell, or do you want to trade, or?
They're his cards. So why don't you have him take a look at them, Trey? Hand him your binder.
Well, I don't know if you know, but like some of these cards, I can already tell like this is a fake card.
Oh, okay. So this is a good talk. So how do you know that?
Just because I've had this card before, yeah, and it has like that gold. It doesn't have that gold on it.
Okay. So there's like fake watches. There's fake cards. Really?
I can even show you. I got scammed with my cards too. It's like they're really tricky because I bought these cards from somebody, but they're all fake. There's different ways you can tell because like this card, it's hard to tell, but the yellow's off.
Try to learn.
But it also has like this kind of glossy look to it because like you can feel it too. It's not textured or anything. It's just flat.
Oh yeah, and you could tell by the back of it too.
Yeah, the printing's off.
Yeah.
Are these all fake or just this one?
It just
Off bat, that looks like the only one that's fake. That one's fake. Off bat, those are like the only two that I see that are fake.
Anything that's worth anything, I don't know, significant? He just bought this one. Is it in here, Troy?
yeah.
For $7.
I can tell you. So what you can do if you have a phone, the best app to go by prices, it's called TCG Player.
Okay.
And then you can like type in the card name or the card name like Charizard EX, and then their number down here.
2-1.
So market price is around $8-9. So you're right there.
That was good.
Yeah.
Good buy, Troy.
That was a good buy. This is like a $1 card. But if you want to trade, I can trade you this for anything in my big black binder down there. So you can pick anything out of here, this one. And then I can trade whichever one you pick out of there, I can trade with you. If you find something you like.
Can I sell the Mewtwo? Evolution Mewtwo?
The Mewtwo. So this one's going to be harder to sell. It's still a popular card. But just this alone down here, how it has like this kind of torn down there,
It's really important
the
to
little
take good care of your
crease.
cards. We're learning that, right?
So this one is a base unlimited in good condition. It's about $2. But I would probably put this like a heavy plate and it would be like $1.
Can I sell like maybe like
Do you want to? Are you attached to these cards though? Because I don't want to buy it from you if you like them that much.
I could trade this one if that one.
This one's worth a little bit. Although this one I would you're more than welcome to have that one.
Okay.
I probably won't take this.
Your binder.
Troy, you need to pay attention.
That's okay.
That's try to learn more.
I would take this card, but this also has like a bunch of like creases on it in the back. I love this card though. I love the artwork on it. I'll do the same for him though. You can help yourself to anything in that big black binder on the end. We don't have to trade anything, but you can on the next one. Pick whatever you like out of that one. I would take in a couple of these cards, but they'd just be harder because of the condition of that they're in.
He loves a lot of your cards, but it's the condition. It's from taking them out too much.
Yeah, that's the only thing. I will, however, give you $1 for your Pikachu, because then I can put this in my giveaway binder if you want to do that. But that's up to you. If you're attached to it, that's fine. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is the card.
What are you saying?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I will give you $1. I'll put this in my binder.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Enjoy the rest of the card show, guys. Yep, you take that. You're welcome. Yeah, you can keep that. That's all yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No problem, guys. We just bought the Pikachu VMAX here. It has like a huge crease down the center though. Right down the middle there. We just paid $1. We'll just put that in the giveaway binder.
I got 4. I don't know what you're...
Oh, you can just take them.
Okay, awesome.
If that's all you need. You're.
I might try to go for an Evolving Skies pack.
Yeah.
Can I maybe trade towards it? I don't know.
Yeah, we can do
I
that.
don't know if I have enough that you would want.
I get to take a look at least. Ooh, I'd definitely be interested in that energy.
Okay. Yeah, there's one other that I picked up that had like a little bit of that.
I might PC that energy though. I like that one.
Oh,
That Umbreon one.
Yeah. That one's, yeah.
That's a cool one. Do you already have another one of that?
Of the Umbreon? No.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, are you keeping that one then?
Yes,
Or-
yes. Sorry.
Okay, okay.
That's trade.
I'm definitely taking the Lightning one.
Okay, cool. So like that one, those two are stamped.
Okay.
And then that one I think is like the most playable right now. Because I comped them all and they're all like
Sure.
7, 10, 13. And I'm willing to like let them go for less just to get some trade value. because I don't need them. Oh yeah, and I have the Radiant Jirachi.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
I'll probably pass on these
Okay,
though.
hey, fair enough.
So it's like, so this one's 8, this one's 20. Be like, I'll round it up to like 23 in trade. That's at like 80%.
You do 25, just to round it off?
That's fine. And then like 10 on top.
For the...
Sure.
Okay, sounds good.
And I got a bunch in here if you want to just pick. Whoop,
Okay.
Sorry. I got a bunch. So if you just want to pick any one of those.
Sure, one of them? Yeah. You have change?
Yes.
Awesome.
I was about to freaking out. Like, where's my change? Oh, God.
Yeah.
What was your name, by the way?
Oh, Mason.
Mason? There's Corey.
Corey, good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, too. We're trading in. He's trading in Jirachi from Radiant Collection and then getting the Ampharos Electric Energy and $10 on top for a Evolving Skies sealed sleeve pack. Oh, yeah, that's all yours. Yeah, you can keep those. Yeah, those are usually out for like kids or people that are master setting stuff.
Yeah.
Is whatever.
Yeah, I play the game, so cards are useful in that sense.
We're kind of using the card game as like his reading comprehension.
Oh yeah, I see some young kids and they're like, this does this. And I'm like, hey.
He's got the math part down, but we're still working on the reading.
Yeah. It's good. Awesome. All right.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Have a good one.
All this junk, bro. I have so much junk in my car. It fills up a whole case. Row. Pay $1 per. Sell each car for $5-10.
And then you can't keep up with it. Like you just got to keep buying it. The mid-era. GXs, not a lot, but I have some. My cheap binder. Oh, this is my cheap binder. Reds 1, blue 2. I don't have a lot of mid-era.
Mid-era is not easy. Like, I buy all trainer galleys. Like, all these trainer galleys I'll buy. I buy all these for $1. That's just what I usually do.
Yeah.
You sell them for $1 or no?
For these?
I don't know what your market is.
Oh, the reds are 1, blues are 2.
Okay.
The little stickers.
If I bought all the trainer galleys, would you do $1 a piece? If you say no, I don't care. I literally don't take offense. I get rejected all the time.
That's okay. And the trainer galleries are all 2. But I have multiples of them in here too.
What I'm saying is, if I buy all your trainer galleys, would you do $1 a piece on them?
I don't think I could do $1 a piece.
Fine, let me look in here. Listen, no hard feelings.
Yeah, no, I get it. I get it.
People need to make their money. I need to make mine.
That's like 3 and over.
This costs $5.
I can't do that far.
Can you do $1?
I can't do $1 now.
On the retarded V's?
No, because I sometimes give these away to kids too.
I'm a little kid. Come on. Guess how old I am?
You're taller than me.
I'm a kid. I seriously am.
You 17?
Yeah, I'm still classified a kid.
Yeah. I mean, like my son's age.
Now he changes the kid rule.
Technically, to me, you are a kid. Yes.
Yeah. I'll buy all these and the trainer galleys. End of the show.
Oh, I got a show tomorrow too.
Oh, where?
Westchester.
Westchester what?
I think it's just called the Westchester Card Show.
All right, how much do you do for all these? I want these actually. That makes you happy.
You
make
pick.
your money.
I'll add them up and I'll let you know.
So when I vended and had these, I bought these at 25 cents a piece.
47. I could do 35.
Math on that is like per dollar card on.
It's like $3 a card, if that.
All right, 2 per card, $2 per. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
No, because I give those to kids too, so I'd rather just give it to kids.
I appreciate the kindness.
No, I appreciate you too, man.
Some people, when I come up and ask them, I'm like, bro, listen, this is just what I do. If you don't like want to, say no. I don't care.
Because I'd rather just give it away to kids at that point.
Like sometimes when I was like, so if I bought a whole bunch, like he had like 30 cards I want. If I bought like 30 cards,
Yeah.
it's like, all right, have a good day. I literally just walked away.
What was your name?
Nick.
Mick?
What's your
Corey.
name? Corey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, man. All right, $10. Josh is picking up a couple shinies, the Tauros, Flamigo, and Mankey. Appreciate it, man.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Add to the list.
Probably the last sale of the day, I'm assuming.
I'm glad I looked at it. This hurts. A little bit closer.
Welcome back.
What do you think is good for like $20? A good car for like 20.
Well, do you want a graded or do you want an ungraded?
I'd say graded.
Graded would be
You
cool.
want to try graded?
Yeah.
You don't have anything graded right now, do you?
No, I don't.
Wow, look at all the 10s. So 10s are like high dollar, right?
Yeah. I could do the Ninetales for 20.
I mean, 8.5 is not that bad for 25.
That's up to you.
8.5 is like mid, kind of, right?
It's 8.5 out
For
of 10.
modern cards, at a 9, it's about the same as like raw price, like for the like ungraded card.
Okay.
And then 10s are normally the exponentially more expensive cards.
Oh, I'll take this.
So you can probably get these like around the same as like a raw price, but some people just like to have it like in a graded.
What does it cost to have it graded? Because that's a cost.
It's about $15 a card to get graded.
Wow,
So it's at a loss,
I think
but
that seems like
you just save all the trouble of having it sent in.
okay.
If you're okay with that, I'll do 20 for you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. What was your name?
Barry.
Barry? Corey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Barry's picking up the tag 9 tag 8.5 for 20 bucks.
Thanks, Corey.
Yeah.
I'm Barry, too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. Have a good one.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
We do a buy out of that table.
He's trying. As soon as they start packing up, he'll take over it.
I don't doubt it. Hey, there's money to be made. That's
Uh-huh.
what he said. Are you looking for anything specific?
Me? No, not really. I'm open to trade or buying. Are you after anything?
I'm browsing for PSA 10.
Hey, Dad.
Yep. Raw.
Raw. No, I'll take either. Okay. I mean, I take a lot of these. Is there anything in here that you don't want to? You're okay with any of it?
As long as it makes sense for both of us.
Sure.
Once you get to the slabs, you probably won't like them as much.
No?
The first couple are decent.
I like that artwork, though.
So would you have any more room off this number? Just 'cause
If we're doing
last
straight
couple-
trade, I probably wouldn't. If you
Okay.
have cash on top, maybe. But,
It's just because the last couple did different.
because there was like, what? There was like a 400. There was like
This is
a.
what I'm seeing. 220, 230, 183, 195. That's the chart.
Yeah. I didn't see those. I mean, I'll double check, but
Yeah.
I believe you. What number?
Let's see what you pick out, because I might want to go after the big Charizard,
Okay.
if that's cool with you.
All good.
I'll just put it right
I
in
might just take the Jolteon too. I like that one. This one I'll put at like, I don't know if this, I'll put this one at like a light play.
there. I put these at, that should be at LP.
Okay.
I think this should be at LP, and then that one should be at LP.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty close then.
35?
That's what, and then I did like, I didn't even do that. I did like 10% off of that because of cash.
210?
I'll do that. Appreciate it, man.
You might
My
have to,
biggest trade yet.
Hey, there you go. Crack this, please. You're gonna get way more out of it. Cool.
And I'll show this to the camera real quick.
Yep, do your thing.
Biggest trade yet to date. He's getting the Mega Charizard EX and the Charizard EX from 151 out of PSA 10. And he's getting 210 on top. And we're getting in the Gem 10 Japanese Mew, Jolteon EX, Iono, Ghastly, Charizard GX, Mega Charizard EX, Cynthia and Caitlin, Leafeon EX Japanese, the Trio Birds Tag Team, Ivysaur, Mega Charizard, or Mega Venusaur EX, Mimikyu VMAX, Leafeon VMAX, Charizard, Celebrations, and Miriam. Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir.
You want the pincer? Thanks, man. I appreciate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 210.
Appreciate you again.
Appreciate
Thank
ya. Ooh, yeah, I'll definitely take that one. My brother needs this.
Okay.
He collects Lucario. I feel like I'll be way over, so I just want to make sure.
I gotcha.
I can pay you cash on top too if you want, or unless if you wanted to just try and go for trades. That's
No, it doesn't matter to me.
okay. I owe you like $3 on top.
Sure.
You wanna do that?
Yeah, that works. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. What's your name?
Jackson.
Jackson. Mind if I show the camera real quick?
Absolutely, go for it.
Probably the final trade of the day. He's taking in Zacian V, Rayquaza. I'm giving a couple bucks on top. And then we're getting in Mew EX, Iron Treads EX, and Gardevoir EX. And a couple bucks. Awesome. Thanks, man. I appreciate you too. All right, I think that just does it about for today. All the good trades happening at the last minute here, but Then we'll be at it again tomorrow at Westchester for another card show. I'm hearing that's going to be really busy, so we'll see how that goes. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. Until the next time.